In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Hostinger. If you want to make your Hostinger dashboard easier to use by viewing it in a different language, the good news is that this is a very quick setting to update. You don't need to go through any complicated menus, and the change can be done in just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account and looking at the main dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account and profile options. Go ahead and click the profile icon in the top right corner. When you select it, a small menu will open with several account-related options. This menu is where Hostinger places personal settings and preferences, including the language setting. From that menu, click on Language. This will open the available language options for your account or dashboard interface. Depending on the version of the platform you're using, you may see a list, a drop-down, or a small selection window with multiple languages to choose from. Now simply select the language you want to use. As soon as you choose it, Hostinger will update the interface language so the dashboard, menus, and settings labels appear in the language you selected. This can be especially helpful if you're more comfortable working in another language or if you want to make navigation quicker and easier. That's it. The language change is complete. If you don't see the update immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or refresh it manually. In most cases, the new language will apply right away. Also, keep in mind that this setting affects the dashboard interface, so if you ever want to switch back, you can follow the exact same process and choose a different language at any time. This is a simple but useful customization, especially if you manage websites regularly and want your workspace to feel more familiar and comfortable. Thanks for watching. And now you know how to change the language in Hostinger.